In every storm, in every night, I search for hope, I search for light. A heart so pure, a soul so bright. You stood for truth, you chose what's right. Through every trial, through every flame, the world remembers your blessed name. You lifted hearts, you broke the chains. You carried faith through joy and pain. Your courage echoed through all time, a living light forever shine. Ya Ali, Ya Ali, guide my heart tonight. Lead me closer to the eternal right. Ya Ali, courage in my soul. With faith in Allah, He completes me whole. Ya Ali, never let me stray. Keep my heart upon the righteous way. Your wisdom flows like endless streams, still inspiring countless dreams, with humble strength and endless grace. You brought the truth to every place. Your name reminds us to be kind, to leave our selfish fears behind, to stand for justice